How to find grinding wheels and burrs. 1. Identify your needs. Determine the material you need to grind, metal, wood, stone, etc., and the type of finish required. 2. Choose the right type. Select from different grinding wheels such as aluminum oxide, silicon carbide, or diamond-coated wheels. Burrs come in carbide, high-speed steel, and diamond-coated options. 3. Check compatibility. Ensure the wheel or burr fits your grinder, Dremel, or CNC machine in terms of shank size and RPM rating. 4. Research brands and suppliers. Look for reputable brands like Norton, 3M, or Dremel. Check online marketplaces, hardware stores, or industrial suppliers. 5. Compare prices and reviews. Read customer feedback and compare prices for quality and durability. 6. Verify safety standards. Ensure the products meet industry standards like ANSI or ISO to avoid breakage or injury. 7. Purchase from reliable sellers. Buy from authorized dealers or verified e-commerce sites to avoid counterfeit products. By following these steps, you can find the right grinding wheels and burrs for your needs efficiently.